The following will be a guided breathing session with a gratitude mindfulness combination. It helps you to be more grateful in life. Please enjoy.
Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Close your eyes. Now gradually deepen your breath. Inhale deeply into your belly and let the breath go through the mouth. In a wave-like motion, inhale deeply into the belly and expand through your rib cage and upper chest, and letting go. Deeply in and letting go. Take your last full inhale, let it go, and hold your breath. As you rest in stillness, let your awareness widen gently. Now bring a person to mind who made your life easier, a fond memory. It doesn't need to be profound. Maybe it's something funny that happened. Whatever it may be, invite those moments into your consciousness. And truly feel gratitude for those moments. Now take a deep inhale and hold. And let go. Come back to deep breathing. Find your rhythm, deeply in, letting go. Belly, ribcage, chest, and letting go. Anchor your mind to the breathing so that you can inhale deeply and smoothly and let go of the air in a relaxed way. Take your last full inhale and let go and hold. Conjure up that warm sensation of gratitude again and find confidence who you are right now in this moment. And now bring something harder into your awareness. What were some difficult seasons in your life? Or maybe you're in one right now. Don't argue with how hard it was, why it came to be. Just let it pass through you. Feel into what you have now that only the hard seasons could have given you. Even if there are scars, there's a spark somewhere in you. Let it shine through. And let the spark grow. And let it radiate through every vein of your body. Now take a deep and full inhale and let go. Come back to deep breathing. Feel the wave and the power of the breath moving through you. Deeply in and letting go. Deeply in and letting go. Strong but effortless. A wave-like motion. Belly, ribcage, chest, letting go. Now take your last full inhale, full in, let go and hold. Widen your awareness even more. Let it spread out to all the things that get unnoticed, like the interplay between shadow and light when sunlight shines through the leaves of a tree, or the warmth of a cup of tea in your hands. Notice them now, the tiny moments, the little things, and give thanks to them. Truly feel the warmth of gratitude inside your body when you invite the little things into your consciousness. Come back to a regular breathing pattern and remain in stillness. Gratitude stops being just a feeling the moment it reaches somebody. So try to be the source of gratitude for someone else today. Maybe offer a warm smile to someone, or your full attention while listening. A supportive touch maybe. Or send the person who came to your mind in this session a heartfelt message that you were thinking about them. Tiny gestures can make a big difference to others. So let me end this session by thanking you for being here, for taking care of yourself, trying. Right now, in this moment, you're perfect. Now open your eyes and bring some love to the world. Thank you for joining me today.